Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to control Android phone from PC remotely. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. AirDroid is a versatile tool that allows you to remotely control your Android phone from a PC or another device. And here are the steps to remotely control an Android phone using AirDroid. Step 1. Download and install the AirDroid app from the Google Play Store on your Android device. Step 2. Open the AirDroid app and create an AirDroid account. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. Step 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to enable AirDroid service on your Android device. Step 4. Open a web browser on your computer or another device and go to the AirDroid website or download and install the AirDroid desktop application. Step 5. Log into your AirDroid account on the web browser or desktop application using the same credentials used on your Android device. Step 6. On the AirDroid web page or desktop app, you should see your connected Android device. Click on it to establish a connection. Step 7. Make sure you already have an AirDroid app and AirDroid control add-ons installed and already been logged in on AirDroid to move on to the next step. And now, on your Android device, grant any necessary permissions for AirDroid to access and control your device remotely. Step 8. Once connected, you can now remotely control various aspects of your Android device from the AirDroid interface. This includes viewing and managing files, sending messages, accessing contacts, and more. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.